So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
JJLEE Smart, what is up? It's your boy Jordan, and I'm back with another video. Which means I'm back with another mod for Drago 392, my charger, my custom charger Widebody Scat pack. So, as y'all can see, I'm inside the car right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the mod real quick. Well, y'all seen the thumbnail, y'all see the title. I'm pretty much bought. Shout out to USSPEEDO, cause I want to, I got the steering wheel, got the red mat. Red seats will be next sooner or later. If I can find me a plug, but I want to go ahead, cause the outside is pretty much perfect. I don't want to do too much to the outside or too extra, but touch up the paint spots. But I want to go ahead and start on the inside really and just start working my way around. Steering wheel, dash, instrument cluster. So pretty much got the red. I was having a fight between red and white, but I was like, red steering wheel, red floor mats. Let's go ahead and hit the red gauge cluster. So that's what I'm doing so far. As y'all can see, I already have the dash off, because the dash part has these little clips around. It's really easy to start on this side first. You really didn't need no dash removal tool. I just used a pretty good thick flat hand, popped it up. Be careful about these little clips right here, they will pop out if you don't grab it. But as y'all can see, I fully got the whole little dash off. Got one of the screws already out. I want to just jump into the video already. Show y'all, you can do this yourself. It's easy. It's at home. You pretty much take 1, 2, 3, 4 screws out, and this pops out, and then you unplug it in the back, and then pretty much all you gotta do is freaking open this up, make little marks to where the make little marks to where the needles are, and then that's pretty much it, really. And then there's I think 1, 2, 3, 4 clips on the top of the cluster. And then 4 at the bottom. You kind of gotta hold them all at once. So I would recommend cutting some of this cardboard and sticking it underneath where the clips go. That way it will pop open. But so far that's where I'm at. Taking all the screws out. Regular, pretty much all you need. You can get the dash removal kit from Amazon. It's probably I think $7 for 3 tools, and then you can get $10 for the rest of the tools. But I pretty much just got up. Excuse the hair for looking nappy, but I just want when I see a mine, I waited, I ordered, and I want to see it, and I want to get it done right now, y'all. So pretty much, this is the gauge cluster I went with. Daytona Edition gauge face. So it was $150. They gave me a discount code also. So I was like, fuck it, bro. I wanted to start doing the inside, and I pretty much just see that's gonna look sick. I saw a couple videos, C-Wheel vlogs, and I saw Mod FX do it too. And I was like, damn. I can do this too. Cause shit, y'all can see, man. I did my own Widebody kit on my car, so I'm kind of psyched to be doing anything else on my car by myself, learning, so I can do it on my friend's car. Cause shit, I'm sharing it, and I want to share all of us. You know what I'm saying? Grow up, glow up, show our custom shit. Cause I know for a fact nobody got this where I'm at, bro. Yeah, other people may have gotten it, but right here, this is one of one scat pack. Custom Widebody on it, custom gauges, custom steering wheel. Come on now, bro. Custom stripes. Everybody got the Viper stripes that are black, and then red. Everybody got the red, then black Viper stripes. That's different. But we're gonna go ahead and finish this install, man. All I gotta do is pretty much take out these screws real quick, pop this baby out. I already got the steering wheel down, and then take it in the house, open it up, and then I can start getting back to y'all. So stay tuned. I'll go ahead and get it and knock this out real quick, man, and show y'all the results. All right. Alright, JJLEE squad, as you can see, we are back. I've got a cut, because this is pretty good. This bench cardboard, so put in each little clip. It's on the side, like that, so we can pop this baby out. Stay tuned, I'm gonna sit y'all down. And just like that, magic. So, get some scissors, keep that cardboard, cut little rectangle pieces, and we popping this baby out just like that. Crisp, clean. We're about to make it pop out. So, now what we're gonna need to do is either get like a permanent marker, mark a little line to where the needle is, or you don't have to, but I just want to be safe. Mark a little permanent line on the side to where you want to put the needles back in. Because once you take these needles off, you need to make sure that it is kind of like one little line below the zero. And to get these off, you gotta push down, turn clockwise, and then pull up to get them out. So, let me find a permanent marker real quick. Wait a minute, and it's a red one. And we just gonna mark it like right on the side. Kind of like right there. And right there. Alright, blackout is over. There's a little line. Mark the baby right there. It's actually right there. Mark the baby right there. You got that baby mark right there. So now we just pull it up, take it out. Should hear like a few clicks. And then you just gotta pull up. Bam. It's that easy, y'all. Come on now. It's that easy. Turn it. You just gotta pull that baby. Bam. That's it. Back. That side goes over there. Pop that up. And that side goes right here. We have a blank gauge cluster face. So bam, we're gonna get to these. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it right here. I'm gonna put this, because when y'all see it again, it will be inside the clock. Stay tuned. Alrighty, JJLEE squad, we are back and it is in. I haven't put none screws in. I know I said when I was bring y'all back. I'm gonna have it fully installed. Well, technically it is, but here I go. That's how we looking. Make sure that everything is lined up. I'm gonna start it too. Put on accessory modes. There we go. All Gucci. Look how that bitch looking though. Ooh.
System ready.
This is my car battery a little bit. Oh my god, bro. Ooh. Yeah, okay, that looks perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and start it real quick, y'all. And then rev it a little bit, that extra stuff. She angry. I haven't started her in the day, day, so excuse that, but we looking pretty good. Don't rev it when it's cold. It does idle kind of about 1 RPM, so that's good too. Look how sick that looks, bro. Blinker. Let me see what else. Got the blue right there. Hazards, bro. That looks sick. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, but like this install, y'all, it was honestly pretty easy. Let me close my door. But yeah, the install was pretty easy, man. I'm not gonna lie, bro. There's idle about there. I'll probably take it on a little little test drive real quick also, so I can see it. But I ain't gonna rev it when it's cold. Don't worry. This baby really do need to warm up. Need to warm up a little bit. But Jesus, man, this came together pretty good. I'm glad. This for real though. Cause look at it, bro. Something small, you know, but come on now. Who got custom gauge faces, bro? Come on. That just looks badass, bro. And clean. Goes to the steering wheel too. Red, black, white. My color scheme. I'm happy. I really am happy. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these screws in, honestly. And put the screws in, put the dash in. Or I might just go ahead and go on a little test drive real quick, honestly. Around the block real quick. To make sure everything is Gucci and clean. So I usually can pause this, but I guess I'll be right back, y'all. Y'all stay tuned, man. First of all, hold up, let me check my stuff real quick. Coolant, trans, oil temp. Yeah, oil temp is way too low for me to be trying to rev it right now. So, but I will get back with y'all, man. Let me go ahead and grab my wallet real quick and really just go on a little spin and test it out when I put these screws in here. Make sure everything is straight. I don't have to take it off again, and we're gonna call it a successful install. But I'll be back. And we are back. I let the car warm up enough, y'all. Go ahead. I went ahead and put all the dash on, popped the clips in. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Coolant, trans, oil temp, perfect. All right. Go ahead and go a little test drive, test the speedometer out, make sure everything is Gucci. This baby be sounding angry. I mean, and I neglect it. I do it sometimes. I don't drive it enough. Okay. Look, so far so good, honestly. Do no half-ass installations around here, bro. We do not. RPM stay at that spot. We're looking pretty good. So we about to see though. We are about to see. We are about to see, buddy. We are about to see. Pretty good, honestly. y'all later, bro. Peace.